Hello friends, welcome back to the Tiny Track Racers. Here we are back with another rocking video. Now we have the most awaited Hot Wheels F1 series, the pack of 5. So in this pack we have 5 cars. One is from McLaren, the second one is from BWT, the third one is from Visa, the fourth one is the Kick, and the fifth one is the MoneyGram. They all are the F1 racing teams. So let's unbox this super pack and see what's inside. So here we will begin the unboxing of the video. We can see the Formula One batching on the top. It's looking very nice. It's a 2024 edition. 2025 now they are selling in the single pieces. So let's open. It's okay. Let's tear it off and see what inside and how's the quality of the car. Yeah, so we have 5 cars. You can see how stunning it's looking. It's looking very nice. I can feel the weight of the cars. Yeah, and the first one is the McLaren, and it's a stunning black and orange color. You can see the wheels. Oh, the design, the weight, it's all metallic. You can see here, tires is of plastic, and the bottom is all also a plastic material. But it's very heavy, and I think it's also runs good on the track. We will see in the next videos by racing them all. So this is the first one, and you can see in the front as well. There's the badging, the tires, and everything is very good. Yeah, it's quite heavy. Okay, now we will pick up the another one. The next one is from BWT. It's in the combination of pink, blue, and black. The tires are of blue. You can see the front badging is of Alpine, and you can see a little mane is also sitting there in between the racing track. Yes, it's also of heavy quality. The metal and the mixture of plastic. You can see the design. It's awesome. No names of the cars mentioned there, but yeah, it's from the BWT F1 racing team. The third one is from, I think, Visa. Yeah, it's a purplish. No, it's a royal blue color. You can see the bull there. It's looking very stunning, and the badging and the detailing are so good. And it's quite heavy. You can see here in the front, it's a Visa badging, and all the other sponsors of the team. Tires is on red color, and it's look very fantastic. It's a nice one as well. Yeah, now we can pick up the next one, the fourth one. I think, yeah, this one is from the Kick F1 racing team. It's a combination of black and green. It's very attractive. You can see the design, the front grille and the side one, the Kick badging, and the green color is very stunning. It's reflecting very good, and I can feel the quality. It's very awesome. It's very good. There is no shockers there. It's just the simple without any shockers. It is coming. Yeah. So the last one, but not the least, it comes from the MoneyGram F1 company. You can see the color. The tires is in white and the red strips. It is looking very stunning, and the HAA's badging on that, and the MoneyGram badging on that. Overall, the quality of all the 5 racing cars are very good. I think they will run very fast on the track due to the aerodynamics. But yeah, it's a very limited edition. It's very rarely available, and if it is even available on some of the sites, so it's very high on price. Even I bought it from around 1500 rupees from Amazon while applying some offers. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe, and share for more such videos. Thank you so much.